Oh. Ow. Hey you. Yeah, you, I'm talking to you. Alright, now since I got your attention, we... Line! Alright, since I got your attention, we are going to show you how to make a thumbnail. Yeah, that is right. You have clicked on the right video because we're gonna show you exactly how to make that exact thumbnail you want to make, and with the right materials, with the right apps and such like that. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the perfect thumbnail. Yep, that is right. Well, probably not the perfect thumbnail, but at least it's a thumbnail, and that's what counts. Now it's gonna be a good thumbnail. Now, are you with me, guys? Oh shoot, you know what? You can't talk. I can't even hear you. You know, if you tried actually talking to me, you're kind of dumb. Now guys, so since I'm doing this on my phone, I honestly don't know what kind of games, kind of apps you guys are, or not. Oh, what did I just say? Alright, so I don't know what type of phone you guys are on, but if these apps, you guys can go to the Play Store and see if these apps are actually on there. But first, you need this app right here, Phonto. Phonto, that's exactly the picture too. Phonto, kind of the weird name though, but kind of feeling my guide, my vibe. However you ever say that. Alright, now you need the second one, which is Magic Eraser, which is right here. Okay. This is kind of boring. Now I make my my thumbnails different. Now if I'm making a Minecraft one, I go to Safari, Minecraft, Nova Skin, Wallpaper. Now if you need the website, it will probably be in the description. Now, so you have all of these cool, loving, freaking pictures of just Minecraft. Now, let's see. Now you can just click on one. Let's say this one, diamond armor, and choose skin. Now choose skin. Click the paperclip photo library, and you want to click your skin. Alright, you want to click your skin, and you have that. Now, click on the green arrow facing to that line. Now, view, you are going to save image, and then boom, now you have it. Now, if you want the background to be different, now, this is where Magic Eraser comes in. Now, click on the app. Just don't pay attention to that girl doing some yoga crap. Now, yeah, also I forgot to mention there are ads on this. Yeah, there are ads. So just to warn you, you know. Forgot to warn you. Now, so on some of the Minecraft backgrounds that you have, some of them will be kind of difficult to cut out. But if it's like a plain picture like this, it'll be much easier to cut out. It'll be much easier to cut out. So you gotta pinch in or pinch out. Sorry, excuse me. Now you want to pinch out to zoom in, and then pinch in to zoom out. Wait, pinch out to zoom in, pinch in to zoom out. Yes. Now, if you want to save this to your camera roll, now you gotta click this arrow facing up with a box surrounding it, which I freaking forgot to cut these out too. Now, there we go. Now you can get. Oh my gosh, well, I forgot to do this now. Now, did I miss anything else? No. Now click on the PNG, high resolution. Now you got it saved. Now, Phonto, Oh yeah, shoot, I forgot. You need to go pick out a background. Minecraft, background, stuff like that. Now, if you misspell, it's okay. You can just correct yourself. Now you got all of these Minecraft stuff, and I'm going to pick this one because it's nice and lovely, and I want it. Now, photo. Now, click this camera icon at the bottom, photo albums. If I'm moving too fast, please warn me. Or, oh yeah, kind of forgot, you can't tell me. Yeah. Alright. Now, add image. Now, you want to click your little Minecraft doohickey you got going on here. Now, you want to size it to however big you want it. Now, that's the max. Now, if it doesn't fit in your box, like the legs are hanging out at the bottom, you just want to move it to here where it lines up perfectly. Just like that. Now I already have this, but I have the Minecraft logo, I think. Now you want to put it wherever you want it. Now I gotta size it up. There we go. Now you got that. Add text. I'm just gonna say hi. Now you got hi. You got the hi. Now font. Like you can also go to Safari, Google, Chrome, shoot, just whatever you have, social, like anything that you can look up crap, then it's a doohickey where you can look up crap. Now, you gotta look up dafont.com, DAFONT.com. Now, and then that where you can look up of any fonts you can. Alrighty, now I'm gonna pick this one because it's nice. Now, I got this one. I'm just gonna say hi. You can do that, change the style, you know, do all of this doohickey, you know, just change the color. I'm not really gonna try because I'm just teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail. Now you can put the text wherever you want. You can change this, have the text lining up with the Minecraft or something. You just got to be creative, be smart about it. All right, be smart. I'm not like saying that you aren't smart or anything, but just in your own little way. Alright guys, so whatever your video is about, basically, you gotta match the creative, you gotta be so creative on making a thumbnail. Like if you're making a Roblox or Minecraft or CSGO or any games, then you gotta look up the name of the game and then the picture of that and then the background of the game. And then just add in some crazy text about the video. Like, just, alright, my opinion is the limit of texting, the limit of, like, text, like these texts, 4. 4 is the limit. Do not go 4 because the average person gets tired of just looking at all the text. Okay, I know I'm talking a lot, but this is what you deserve for, you know, clicking on the video and stuff like that. So, if they're like more than 4, then, you know, some people can't even read. Kind of like this. My name is Jeff. I didn't finish the is Jeff part because I kind of got bored and didn't finish it. So you got this. So my name is Jeff. Something like this. But if your video is about you being Jeff, then don't do the video. Now don't make the thumbnail if your video isn't my name is Jeff. Just whatever the video is about, all you have to do is just make a thumbnail about it. So that's all I have to say. And these are the types of thumbnails I make every single day. Well, kinda every day. Alright guys, well it's about time for me to end the video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little tutorial on how you can make a thumbnail and, you know, just be creative. Alright, now if you need some tips on how to be creative, if you want me to make a video on how you can be more creative, then let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to help you guys be more creative by making a video. Now, make sure to drop a big fat like, subscribe if you guys are new, of course, and yeah, turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Is that all? You know, this video's been long enough. I'm just gonna see you. Bye, guys.